Hi there. Today we're going to talk about using some of the built-in amplitude-based tools in Hauntimator. In the introductory video, we manually synchronized a channel to the perceived loudness of the audio signal. We're going to try and do that in a more automated fashion. First thing we'll do is we're going to change our audio panel to display amplitude. So we can see it gets louder and quieter, louder and quieter. This is the absolute value of the signal strength in bins as opposed to being decibels or anything like that. Now, we're going to first create a PWM channel. Let's call it P. And it's going to be an SG90 servo. And we'll assign that to port S15. Save that. Now it's selected. And then we'll go to Channels and Amplitude-based. Pops up this user interface. Basically, we're going to cover the entire time range and sample it at 10 Hertz. Just say do it. And there is our signal, PWM signal, that's going to approximately follow the amplitude of the audio. Okay, that's fine. Now, let's deselect that, and we're going to add some digital channels to make a little meter. We're going to use our 8 LEDs like a signal strength meter. So to do that, we'll create a first digital channel, just call it D, assign that to port 0, save that, and as we did back on our Larson scanner video, we're going to add 1 point here off to the left. Alright, now select this. I'll go to plugins, replicate. I want 7 copies of it. Run. So if you recall, the first one is assigned to port D0. The second one is assigned to port D1, etc. So it updated those channels as well. So now we're going to make this first channel be the maximum volume on our signal strength meter. So we have 8, and we have a range of about 32,000. So that is about 4,000, a range of 4,000 per pane. So I'm going to basically take this one. It's selected. I go to Channels, Amplitude-based, over the full range, but the cutoff I'm going to make 32,000 is the max. We'll make this one 28,000. Alright, so this basically tells us where the signal strength exceeds 28,000. Now we'll go to the next one, Amplitude-based, and this one will cut off at 24,000. And then the next one will cut off at 20,000. And the next one will cut off at 16,000. And the next one will cut off at 12,000. And the next one will cut off at 8,000. And the next one will cut off at 4,000. And the next one, we're not going to leave it at 0, because 0 is a special thing. It just says, kind of figure out the mean and average it. So we're going to cut it off at 1. And so you can see it's pretty much on all the time. It's always loud enough for that. Okay, so there are our channels. Let's see how it looks.